Maybe this isn't a good idea. I'll just try it anyway. I don't know. I'm just gonna touch it. Okay. Oh my god.
Amanda, put that back. No.
Look at these lights.
How much is it?
$6.99. Is it battery operated?
Put it back. You don't need it. Mama. Hi, pretty girl. Shopping with Mama. Link below.
Swipe up.
Swipe up.
10% off for a swipe up. Use code promo.
Find you a bestie that will fix your hair and make you look good.
You look great, especially in this lighting. What's up? I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Welcome back.
Swipe up.
So guys, I'm here with my best friend Monica. So pretty, look at her hair, it's so beautiful. Her outfit too. She's my best friend. Aww. Cheers.
This coffee is really good. What kind is it?
It's bomb. Madison taught me how to make it.
Your friend Madison has good taste.
Yeah, he does. Shout out to you, Madison. Thanks for the coffee idea. So me and Monica have been besties for quite a while.
3-4 years now.
Yeah. Wow, it feels like way longer.
She's my soulmate.
Yeah, basically we're soulmates. We're like each other's therapists, you know? Whenever we hang out or whenever we're like going through some shit or if we're sad or stressed out, we just call each other and we laugh for like 5 hours and then we go to sleep.
She doesn't judge me, I don't judge her. She knows all my secrets and I know all of her secrets. Call me if you guys want to.
Yeah, she's like my diary. I tell her everything, so we have to stay friends forever just in case, you know, you let some of my shit out, so.
Got you, girl.
So Monica actually has a date tonight. It's like 4 o'clock. She has to be there at 8. So I told her, I was like, girl, come over. I'll do your makeup. You know, we'll drink some coffee. We'll talk some shit. We'll have some laughs. But plot twist, I'm gonna do it blindfolded. So we'll see how this turns out. The only thing I ask is if you see me like going at your eyeball with a pen or a pencil or whatever the hell I'll end up using, just stop me so I don't injure you.
Just don't poke my eyes.
Okay. Well, it's kind of cute. You wanna see what's on the other side?
Same.
Yeah,
Same,
but we're not gonna use this side. I wanna be appropriate.
Don't mess up your pretty hair.
Thanks, girl. You think it's pretty?
Yeah, it's great.
I kinda look like Shrek.
No, girl, you look cute.
Yeah. So I look like a hot anime girl.
Yeah, you
Okay.
look like a hot Chun-Li in Street Fighter.
Okay, so first we are going to start with the foundation. So this is the foundation that she uses. I don't know the name of it. I don't know the color. I just know that I'm using it. Is it a pump? Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
This is so weird. Let me do this. Okay, girl. What do you use to blend? I need a blender. Close your eyes, just so I don't hurt you. Okay, girl. Oh my god, this is real. We're really doing this right now. Is there anything on my hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Foundation.
Monica, this is actually really funny. Oh my god, I'm dying. I need to find your face again. How do people do this shit? Keep your eyes closed, please. This is what it feels like when I drive.
You actually have bad vision.
I have really bad vision. Oh, so the way we met, story time.
You almost hit me.
No. We used to work together at the doctor's office. I used to work the front desk and she still works there. She's a technician. We became best friends like right away.
Yeah, everyone at work hated us being together because we wouldn't work.
I always had her back whenever she would take naps in the car. I'd be like, oh no, she was just in the bathroom. No, she's only been gone for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, she's like sleeping in her car for 2 hours.
You're putting foundation in my hair. I think my date might dump me after seeing me.
Just trust the process.
Girl, at this point, they have to fall in love with my personality.
Oh, they will. You're the funniest person I know. I'm sure you'll be just fine on this date. Does it feel like I'm doing it right at all?
Yeah.
I just want full coverage.
Cover me.
So this is the concealer that she uses. I don't know the color or the name of it.
When you need help, just say
Help
the word
me.
help.
Girl, I'm gonna make you look good, don't worry. Keep your eyes closed. So who is he? Tell me. Tell us. Tell us who this man is. Is it a man?
It's a man.
Okay. You never know.
Yeah, you never know. I prefer to keep him
Anonymous?
anonymous.
Girl, who is it?
Girl, my dentist.
I feel like I'm really good at this.
Yep.
I'm practicing just in case the power turns out and I have a hot date and I don't have a mirror or light or anything and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I can't see, but I have to look good.
Hard. Oh, booty call. How are things going with your friend, Madison?
Yeah, things are good. Things are really good. It's always good to start off as friends.
Best of friends make the best of relationships.
Yeah, you know, instead of jumping into a relationship, definitely getting to know each other, hanging out all the time. We're a good team. He's really sweet and he's like good at everything. I don't know where the colors are, but that's what it looks like. It's a little broken. Close your eyes, please. So you need like a little dark crease.
Make me look like a Latin bombshell.
Now, is this a real date or do you just have a dental appointment? Oh, just an appointment.
Just an appointment. He actually doesn't know we're gonna go on a date yet.
Hopefully this is brown because I really like using brown.
Brown is also my color.
All right, girl, the mascara.
Oh, Jesus. Lord, save me.
Keep your eyes closed. Maybe this isn't a good idea. I'll just try it anyway. I don't know. I'm just gonna touch it. Okay. Oh my God. Don't open your eyes. Is it working? Oh my God, did I hurt you? Give me something for your eyebrows. I really appreciate you letting me do this to you.
Yeah.
Does it feel like I'm making eyebrows?
I'm basically running out of dating options and you're gonna ruin my last.
Girl, he might be like, damn girl, your makeup is so good. Who did it for you?
Doubt it.
All right, girl, I'm gonna need some lip liner. Is your lip? Okay. Is it on your lip?
Kind of, a little.
Just keep your mouth closed.
Girl, you know I can't keep my mouth closed.
All right, show the camera what you look like so far. How is it? Does it look like I did something?
Oh yeah, you did a lot. That's
Okay,
for sure. Yeah.
Perfect. Can I have the lipstick, please? Where's your face? Okay, there's your top lip. This shit is hard. This is so hard. I've seen so many YouTube videos of people doing this and it actually comes out really good. So I feel like we're gonna be such a mess after this. Keep your eyes closed. And then you need a little bit on your nose.
I feel like I'm gonna have to cancel my date.
Hold on. Okay. All right, girl.
Are we ready to show the end result?
All right, 3, 2. I didn't do anything. It doesn't even look like anything was done. What the hell? What is that? That's actually not that bad. Like you could totally go on your date like this.
No.
You just have to clean up the
I'm calling
shit
my
I left at the bottom.
Hey, we need to cancel.
No, girl, the crease is nice.
No.
Yeah, let me show you a mirror. Why are you still holding your coffee? There's makeup in it. Have you been drinking it?
Yeah.
Look, it's not that bad.
Oh my God, he's gonna think
you're drunk. He's gonna think you're drunk. So make sure you comment below and tell me what you think of my beautiful makeup job. I personally don't think it was that bad for being blindfolded. I think you should still go on your date.
no. I'm canceling my date.
And let me know if there's another makeup challenge that you think that we should try. And stay tuned for more videos.